Hello dear children, a happy morning to you all. How are you? I hope everyone is doing good. Everyone is doing best. Yes, everyone is doing best. Okay, welcome to our class. Today we have maths class. And you know one thing? Today a new thing we are going to learn in maths class. You know what is that? Are you excited to know what is that? Okay, before revealing that, I want to tell you a small story. Are you all ready to listen? Yes? Are you all ready? Okay, then I'll start my story. Yes. There was a boy named Tom. Okay, Tom daily wakes up early in the morning, and after waking up, what he'll do? He brushes his teeth. After waking up, Tom brushes his teeth. Then after brushing, he takes a bath. After bathing, he neatly combs his hair and he'll wear a neat uniform. He dresses up neatly. Then after dressing up, after combing hair, what he'll do? He'll have his breakfast. Yes, after breakfast, what he is going to do? He is going to school with his bag. Then, after going to school, he is going to read, write, sing, dance. And after school, he is going to come back home. Yes, Tom is a good boy, isn't it? Nowadays, we are not going to school. Yes? So, what are we doing nowadays? Waking up early. After waking up, we are brushing our teeth. After brushing, taking a bath. After bathing, yes, we are dressing up neatly. After eating our breakfast, after we are ready to listen the WhatsApp classes, or we are ready to take part in interactive classes. Then after interactive classes, we are ready to complete our notes. What is this happening in this story? After is repeated for many times. Yes, today we are going to deal with after. What is this after? After means next. Taruvata. The next one. Taruvata. Next one. And chappadaniki after antaru. Now in this story, Tom wake up early in the morning. After Nidra lechin tarvata, after he brushes his teeth, after he took his bath, after he dressed up neatly, after ante taruvata. After means next, taruvata. After means next, taruvata. Okay? Now I am going to show you few things so that you can learn what is after. Okay, children? Okay, now let us see the objects. Yes, children, here are few things on my table. Yes, you can see them. This is scissors. Okay, scissors. What is this? Sanitizer, hand sanitizer, a car, cock, robot. Yes, these are few things on my table you can see. Now, The first one is scissors. What is after scissors? After means the next one. After ante taruvata. After means the next one. Scissors. The first object is scissors. Now after scissors, what do we have here? Hand sanitizer. Yes, scissor is the first one. After ante scissors taruvata. The next one. Scissors next one. The first one is scissors. What is after scissors? Hand sanitizer. After ante taruvata. Now, after hand sanitizer, what is this? After ante taruvata. After hand sanitizer, what is this? A car. A car. Yes? After car, what do we have? Cock. Cock. After cock, what do we have? A robot. Yes? After ante taruvata. Scissors taruvata, hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer taruvata, car. Car taruvata, cock. Cock taruvata, robot. Okay, children? Yes, few more objects I have on my table, children. You can see a truck, specs, a bat, pencil box, and a box. Okay. Now, what is the first picture? What is the first object? A truck. Okay. After truck, what do we have? Next one. After ante truck taruvata. After means taruvata. After means the next one. After truck, what do we have here? Specs. Specs after bat. Specs after bat. Bat after pencil box. Bat after pencil box. Pencil box after a box. Pencil box after a box. Okay. Now, you can see few blocks on my table. Yes, there are different color of blocks on my table. See, the first one is green block. Green block. What is after green block? Which color block do we have after green block? Orange block. After green block. Ante green block tarvata a block undi. Green block after which block do we have? After green block, orange block. After orange block, we have yellow. Yellow. After yellow, we have pink block. After pink, blue. After blue, red. Okay. After ante tarvata. After means tarvata. First is green block. Green block after means what you should say? Orange block. Orange block after. After means tarvata. Orange block after yellow. Yellow block after pink block. Pink block after blue. Blue after red. Okay. Now, shall we learn after numbers also? Till now we were learning about the objects which are after. Now we will learn about after numbers. Now, while writing numbers, first vertically we will see. Here we are writing 0. This is vertical numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, the first number is 0. First number is 0. What is after 0? we are learning after numbers, so we are writing the number 0 here on the top, as you all already learnt the concept of 0. Yes, in LKG you have learnt from 1 to 10 and more numbers, but you don't know what is 0. So now you have already learned the concept of 0. So while learning after numbers, we need to write 0 at the first. Before 1 only we are going to write 0. We are starting numbers writing from 0. Okay. Now what is 0 after? Ante 0 tarvata. 0 after 1. 1 after, what do we have here? 2. 2 after అంటే 2 తర్వాత, immediately after 2 తర్వాత ఇవన్నీ numbers కూడా వస్తాయి. Yes, these all numbers also will get after 2, but after 2, immediately after 2 we have 3 here. 3 after we have 4. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. Like that, 6 after 7, 7 after 8, 8 after 9, 9 after 10. This is vertical process. Okay children. Now we are going to learn horizontal way. Horizontal way. See, I have drew a number line here. I have drew a line here. On that I wrote numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This line is called number line. This line is called number line. Now let us see how to learn after numbers on this number line. Here also we are starting writing numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now 0, 0 after. 0 after, 0 tarvata, means we are jumping one step. 0 after is 1. అంటే 0 తర్వాత ఇవన్నీ నంబర్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి, కానీ 0 ఆఫ్టర్ అంటే 0 తర్వాత మాత్రమే వచ్చే నంబర్. ఓకే. 0 ఆఫ్టర్ 1, 1 ఆఫ్టర్ 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7, 7 after 8, 8 after 9. Like this. So, after ante pratisari tarvata. After means tarvata. After means tarvata. So, now we will be writing in our classwork books. Please open your books and we are going to write after numbers in our books now. Heading in your notebook, A, F, T, E, R. After, I know you are all very good children and you all are following madam how she is writing, and I know you all have practiced very good handwriting, so you will be writing in neat handwriting. One letter gap, N, U, M, B, E, R, S. After numbers, A, F, T, E, R. After letter gap, N, U, M, B, E, R, S. Numbers. After numbers. I am using this and this to let you know how to identify after numbers. Okay. So this and this are margin lines. We are not touching this line and this line. We are writing from here 0. We are starting from 0. 0 dash. 0 dash. Where is the dash given? 0 after, which means we need to write the number which is after 0. 0 after dash is there. So 0 after number we are going to write. Now check here on the number line. What is 0 after? What is 0 after on the number line? 1. Vertical also, what is 0 after number? 1. So we are writing 1 in the dash. Then next box, 1 dash. 1 after dash is given. So 1 after number we are going to write in the given dash. Check in the vertical line 1 after what is the number? 1 tarvata 1 after 2. In the horizontal line 1 after 2. So here in the dash we are writing 1 after 2. 2 dash. 2 after. In the horizontal line, this is number line. This line is called number line. In the number line, check where is 2 after. 2 after 3. Yes. Next box 3 dash. 3 after. 3 after. What is 3 after? 4. 3 after 4. Next 4 dash. 4 after. What do we have? 4 after. 4 tarvata. 4 after we have 5. 4 after 5. 5 dash. 5 after. What do we have? 5 after 6. 5 after 6. 5 after 6. Now 6 dash. 6 after. What do we have? 6 after here? 6 tarvata. 7. 6 after 7. 7 after. 7 after. 7 tarvata number anamata. 7 after 8. 7 after 8. Then 8 after. 8 after. What do we have here? 8 after 9. 8 after 9. Once read with madam. 0 after 1. Are you all reading, children? 0 after 1. 1 after 2. 1 after 2. 2 after 3. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9. So this work you are writing here and leaving 2 boxes in your book. Again the same work you are going to write in the same page. That is 2 times you are going to write. Okay. 2 after. Every time you are writing, you should read and write. You need to read like 0 after, 1 after, 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6. Like that you are going to write. And this you are going to complete. Okay. 2 times you are going to write in 1 page, children. Once here you are going to write, again leaving 2 boxes, and one more time you are going to repeat here. Whenever you are writing this, you need to read like this. 0 after 1, 1 after 2. Like that you need to read and complete the given work. Thank you for today, children. Good day.